Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see watch history on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. So let's begin. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile, that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile, you will see three horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you are on your Settings and Privacy page, tap on Watch History. You can see the videos you have recently watched. So that is how you see watch history on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.